family? Your boy is back. If you are new, my name is Jermaine, aka Lifestyle Maineagement, and we're in a different scenery right now because we are meal prepping. Yes, that's right. Your boy is in the kitchen whipping it up. This is how I stay shredded. You gotta stay consistent with your meal plans and your meal prep, and I'm gonna show you how I do this. On today's menu, we have jasmine rice, we have some lemon pepper roasted asparagus, we have some baked buffalo cauliflower, yes, and then we're topping that all off with some meat. And of course, I'm vegetarian, so I use Morningstar grillers, which you cannot even tell the difference.